In this video, I will show you how you can add products to Shopify from AutoDS. So first, you will need to have a Shopify and an AutoDS account. So if you haven't got both of them or you haven't got one of them, you can use the links in the description. And for Shopify, you will get a free trial and then your first month for only €1, dollar, or the equivalent in your currency. So it's really cheap to get started with. Then for AutoDS, usually they have a 14-day trial. If you want to get access to an extended 30-day free trial, then you can also use the link in the description for AutoDS to claim that 30-day trial. So after creating both of your accounts, you will need to connect to AutoDS. So I'll just go and quickly disconnect my AutoDS right here. And now I have successfully removed my store. So once you first create your account, I recommend having a tab open where you're signed into Shopify, and then a tab open where you have AutoDS, and then click Add Store. And then here Add Store, select Shopify Store, click Continue. Then you'll see this. Now you want to click I have a Shopify Store, then click Continue again. And now I have already installed the app. So therefore for me it says open, for you it will say install. So just go and install it. And after doing that, you will have connected Shopify to AutoDS. Now to import products from any supplier supported on AutoDS or just from the AutoDS marketplace, what you want to go and do is click Add Products. Then you can choose single product, multiple products, or stores, or hand-picked products. Now usually I'll just go with single. And for example, if I want to import something from Amazon, then I can just quickly find a product right here. For example, if I want to dropship these plates right here, then I can take this link and then go to AutoDS and here enter the URL and then click Edit Now. And then here you can choose to optimize the title with AI and the same for the description. And if you have a plan that supports it, I recommend turning on the stock and price monitoring, and then you can click Save and Import, and then it will be imported onto your store. Now, if you want to add a product from the AutoDS marketplace, for example, if I want a product that ships from the United States, then I can select that right there. And for example, if I'm in the pets niche, then I can select pets right here. For example, if I want to sell this product, I can click Import Draft. Then here go to your drafts and it should show up right here. You can see it. So then click on this drop down. Then here again, you can turn stock and price monitoring on. You can choose the shipping method and all of this right here, and then click Save and Import. And now on Shopify, if I head over into my product section, you will see that we now have the plates right here from Amazon that I just imported. And you can see it's imported with the image, the pricing, and all of that. And now the pet feeder right here is also being imported. Now it may take a few minutes, but it will show up in your products right here. So now you know how you can import products to Shopify from AutoDS. So you can see in the meantime, it showed up right here. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.